presenting the Dodge 2019 Charger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: black cloth sport seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, STD, quick order package 29 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique Dodge grill badge gloss black IP cluster trim rings satin black Charger deck lid badge black one-piece performance spoiler, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, FFV, white knuckle clear coat and tires, P245/45R20 BSWS performance. If you are looking